and this video will show you how to fix Face ID settings grayed out on iPhone. First of all, you need to open your iPhone settings, and in the search you need to write screen time like this, and you need to click on screen time. Then you need to scroll a little bit down and you will see content and privacy restrictions. You need to click on this. First of all, you need to toggle this on, and after that you need to scroll down and click on passcode and Face ID and make sure that this is set on allow. If it's not allowed, you need to click on allow and you can go back. And another thing you can do is go to your iPhone settings, click on general, then software update, and make sure that if you're using the latest version of the iOS for your iPhone, so if you see an update option right here, you can click on update now and update your iOS to the latest version. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.